What are IT services? Information technology services allow businesses to access the software tools and information they need for operational processes and daily tasks. Here are some of the IT services that Kansas City Tech provides: computer tech support, remote IT support, systems administration, systems monitoring, cloud services, backup solutions, network security, email services, hardware installation and maintenance, troubleshooting and tech support. IT services for small business include on-site technical support and troubleshooting for software applications and online tools. Kansas City Tech can help guide your users through the process of resolving technical errors and recommend future steps to take. With dedicated tech support service, your business can receive the technical assistance it needs when staff members have questions or IT challenges. Remote IT support. Remote support allows a technician to find and repair issues more quickly. For example, when one of your users experience an issue, a technician can access their PC through the internet to troubleshoot and repair it. Kansas City Tech's remote support capabilities can reduce the time it takes to repair technical errors so your work can continue with minimal interruptions. Systems administration. One pay grade above a desktop support technician is a systems admin. These technicians normally have a higher level of experience troubleshooting software and hardware issues. Their primary roles include the setup, install, and configuration of servers and server equipment. This includes the server operating system and Active Directory. A system admin's daily tasks include setting up user accounts, granting folder permissions, daily backups, applying software patches, and troubleshooting Tier 2 desktop support issues. Systems monitoring. Kansas City Tech provides computer, server, network, and other internet-enabled device monitoring. Monitoring helps to keep track of user access logs, whether a device needs repairs, and if any computers need software updates or modifications. Cloud services. Cloud-enabled services provide a convenient method for your employees to access company resources regardless of their location. Kansas City Tech can help set up or support your current cloud-enabled technology needs. Backup solutions. Nightly backups prevent information loss from occurring by storing copies of your data on external hardware or online platforms, such as a cloud service. Backups can help protect your company's data should any issues occur, like a power outage, system failure, or someone accidentally deleting a file. Kansas City Tech helps protect its clients with a proprietary on-site and off-site backup solution that works hand in hand. Network security. Network security services help protect a business's network from unauthorized access. Kansas City Tech can help you install a firewall, implement a VPN server, perform regular network checkups, and get you set up with an enterprise-grade antivirus software. Email services. Your small business relies on email for many communication purposes, from individual messages to company-wide updates to customer relations. These days, email is an important part of maintaining business relationships. From email server setups to advanced spam filtering, route tracing, and email account setups, Kansas City Tech can help you take on any type of email-related issues or requests. Hardware installation and maintenance. Kansas City Tech helps with the installation of laptops, computers, servers, hard drives, memory, power supplies, routers, switches, modems, access points, and printers. Kansas City Tech can also help you maintain the longevity of your equipment by installing crucial software updates and hardware patches. Providing IT support for small business throughout Jackson and Johnson County, Kansas City Tech can help your small to mid-sized business with the IT support services that you need and deserve. From hourly assistance to managed IT services, Kansas City Tech has a way to make sure your business gets the help it needs. Call now for more information or to schedule an appointment. In Kansas, call 913-912-TECH. In Missouri, call 816-875-6580. You can also learn more about the IT services we provide at kansascitytech.com. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.